Welcome everyone to the 360 video of the Porsche GT4. We're on our way to go get a blizzard or a cold hot chocolate. It's Lisa's favorite drink. So look around you because we're going to be driving through some nice little scenic areas for you. Nothing too crazy. Look to your left, if you can see, that's the Colorado National Monument. Really beautiful place. I love it because back there it's just nature. It's super cool. It's like got its own different climate up there, even though it doesn't seem like it's super high. It sometimes snows up there, and you might not see snow here. It's kind of crazy. Now the GT4 is really comfortable in my opinion. You could probably see the carbon fiber on these seats. Really cool. These seats are super comfortable. And let me tell you, everything you've ever thought about a Porsche is real. It is absolutely awesome. So well. Now one of the things you got to be careful with is that everything feels so good and so stable that you essentially have to be careful because it's too easy to go over the speed limit. Now this is Western Colorado and we love it. Overall it's great. Our town of Grand Junction is growing. But that's okay. I'm just waiting for the Cracker Barrel because they said they're going to build one, and I can't wait. Woohoo! And I'm so glad you guys could join us to go get a nice, tasty treat. Woohoo! Now we did do a 360 video of the monument in our NSX. So if you guys want to go check out the monument, you guys can see that 360 in the NSX as well. So that's pretty cool. Now one of the things I love about the GT4 is the ability to downshift because it rev matches. Check this out, guys. Frida, real close to our destination. Florida. And everybody's gonna be like, no, not to Florida. There it is, guys. DQ. Let's go get ourselves a frozen hot chocolate. Now, spring is almost here. I mean, technically it's not here, right? I think, no, it's got like a couple next weekend. But it's getting warm, and no matter what, winter or summer, spring, Elise has got me hooked on this frozen hot chocolate. All right, here we go. Courtesy Rev. Yes, hi, thank you. I hope you're having a good day.
Always. How about you?
Awesome. Yeah, I can't complain. Thank you very much. We will have one small frozen hot chocolate, please.
Well, you want whipped cream on that frozen hot chocolate today?
No, thank you.
You got anything else for you?
That's it. Appreciate it.
All right, we'll have that in your double window. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We got it, guys. You want to show it to everybody what it is? Woo! It is
so tasty.
Oh my gosh! It's what it is? Just chocolate goodness, and it tastes really good. It's like that good chocolate. It doesn't. Here we go. rock. It looks insane. It's because it is massive and it fell off of that top area. I'm gonna drive slow so you guys can see it. But look at that. Make sure you pan over to it because I'm gonna drive slow, but look at it. Is that amazing or what? I hope you guys can see it. I'm hoping. Hot chocolate. All right, guys, you stay tuned, and we will talk to you soon.